Hey guys, it's me Cindy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you guys are new. I hope everyone is doing great and staying safe out there. We are praying for everyone during this time. But I thought we would do a day in the life video to show you guys our new routine now that we are quarantined inside the home and we are now homeschooling. So I love watching these types of videos and I thought maybe we should share some motivation to you guys. So we already had breakfast. My in-laws are in town right now and we had a big breakfast with them. So I didn't want to fill them in there just in case if they wanted some privacy. But I am going to show you guys what we normally do in the morning. So in the morning, I always like to get started in my bedroom first by making the bed. Maybe if I change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this, start then. I always tell my kids first thing in the morning to make their beds. That way they've completed their first task of the day and it will help them stay motivated to complete more tasks throughout the day. Alright, so the next thing I gotta do, you guys, I have to tackle this big bin of laundry. It's actually 2 loads in one big bin. I've been washing a lot of clothes lately because of everything that's going on. I want to make sure everything's sanitized correctly. So now it's time to fold all this. Oh, and also just disregard all this stuff over here. We just moved to our house probably like a month and a half ago, and there's just a few things that I haven't set up yet. So you guys are probably gonna see like a lot of these little thingies all around the house. I also might sound a bit nasally. I don't even know if nasally is a word, but I'm gonna sound a little bit congested. I think I have like this allergy cold thing going on, so please disregard the way I sound. So I don't know about you guys, but I like to have my hair tied in a bun or a ponytail or in a braid. That way it doesn't get in the way as I'm getting things done around the house. Change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix this, start then. I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I change my mind. Baby, we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love. So right now our family uses the Tide laundry detergent and I'm thinking of switching over to the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent. I want something that smells really good. Let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite laundry detergent to use for your family and if you guys have tried any of the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent. Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we all. So I finally folded all the clothes. This is what happens when I wait till the last minute, but I have all the shorts over here. Usually I roll them up. I usually throw like a pile of the socks over here so I can do that later. And then I have like little sections here of the kids and my clothes, Josiah's clothes, and then all the towels and sheets go in here. And now it's time to put all this stuff back to where it belongs. We are close. Can you feel
After Bella's snack, she was ready to do some schoolwork, so we did 30 minutes of reading, and I was there to assist her with any words she couldn't read. Here, the kids are getting some energy out after we got done doing some schoolwork. Ever since we've been stuck at the house, we've been dancing, stretching, doing yoga. The kids really want to do yoga today, and we even added meditation to our routine.
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
So the girls just got back inside from playing outside in the water. They were playing with their LOLs, and they had this little bucket of water so they can change their colors. But I need a little break. They need a little break too. So we're going to be watching some Sid the Science Kid on PBS. They love this show, and they're also having a little snack. You guys excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
And I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone.
While the kids are taking their break, I want to show you guys some of the things I'm going to be using for homeschooling. I got these 2 books last year at their book fair, and Bella loves reading, you guys. I think ever since I got them, she was a little nervous because of the long words and the big words, but now she's like really gotten comfortable, and I think the phonics book reading has really helped her with that, and Melanie's now starting to be really interested in reading these. And I'm just going to show you guys like a little bit of what the books look like in here. This one's Fun in the Sun. And they have some really bright pictures, and then in each page they have like a different word. So I think in this book they're introducing the short U sound because that's what's highlighted, like hunt, fun, tug, and then at the end of the book they'll tell you, yeah, so it is a short U, what the book features. So they feature the short U, and then these are the new sight words in this story. So each story has a featured word or letter and some sight words. And it comes with 10 books and 2 worksheet books. And you can definitely buy this at any bookstore. I think at Barnes & Noble they had PJ Masks, and I think they have Mickey Mouse too. So definitely keep your eye out. I believe I paid $10 for each one. And if you guys are following me on Instagram, I always post stories of how I teach the girls. And yesterday I was helping Melanie with counting, and we love using these little blocks, and I've been helping her with addition to it, this and subtracting. And I actually got these from the dollar store, and she loves just like putting these little blocks out. So if I have like the number 2, she'll put 2 out, and if I put like +3, and then she'll put that. I'll like create little boxes if you guys saw me how I did it, and then I'll put equals what, and then she would put 5, and she loves just that visual hands-on activity that I've been introducing to her. Let me see, where is the other block? There it is. So it would be 5. So that's what I've been doing with her, and she just loves it. So now that I'm starting to homeschool the kids, I just realized that I've been wasting a lot of paper, and I was feeling guilty. So I sent Hummy to get me a dry erase board. He got me this one over here from Walmart. This one comes with markers, magnets, and you can also hang this on the wall. But I think we're just going to have this on the table so that the kids can use it frequently. And I think this is going to be a great addition to our homeschooling routine. And as they're scootering, I'm trying to run behind them so I can catch up to them. But it is so nice out here right now. We're just trying to get some fresh air, having the girls scoot, and then maybe we'll do a little bit of like a little scavenger hunt.
We keep falling down until we start a tear, but we can still be strong. So wipe out all your tears.
So after we got done scooting and running, we had to hop in a shower because it is really hot here in Florida, so we needed to freshen up. But we were about to do this thing called Lunch Doodles with Mo Williams on YouTube, and he puts out a new episode every day this week. I don't know if it's Monday through Friday or if it's like a 7-day thing, but so far the kids love it, and they're gonna be doing it right now. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like.
When we're falling apart, hold your hand where my heart is. Get me high. When we fight all the time, just show me we're homies. Show me we're homies. Show me we're homies. Show me we're homies. When the words die, get me high. Show me we're homies.
And this is what the kids had for lunch today. They had hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, grapes, and carrots. They were so super excited.
When the world falls away and you feel caught, I'll be there.
Sorry for the glare in the background, but I quickly wanted to hop on here and just let you guys all know that you guys, we are all doing an amazing job homeschooling. I think like on Monday, I kind of got like a little anxious and I kind of did like this whole schedule from like 8 to 3, and the first day was kind of tough for me because the kids just weren't following it, and I'm one of those types of people, I like everything to be perfect. So I went a different route and I decided not to do a schedule anymore because I didn't want it to be so rigid, and now we're just doing like a good 2 hours of like learning, and then the rest time is kind of like free play, Legos, doing puzzles, and I feel like it's working great for our family. But the first couple of days I thought I was feeling like a mom and as a teacher, a homeschool teacher, because you know this all happened all at once and none of us were prepared for this, and I was like, you know, worried that I wasn't going to be doing a good job of being a homeschool teacher for my kids. But you know what, I know that I'm not the only one feeling this way, and I know that all of us are trying our best, and that's all we can do for our little ones. So just wanted to let you guys know that you guys, we are all doing amazing. You are doing amazing, and just keep going. I also want to send a big thanks to all the teachers out there. I know you guys are probably receiving like a lot of messages from us parents, but I want to say thank you. Well, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy with your families indoor. I'm sending so many positive vibes to all you guys. If you guys enjoy this video, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys are new to the channel, definitely subscribe, you guys. It is totally free to do so, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.